everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to address a particular issue that most of us are facing because we Nigerians, we are not eligible for monetization. So many people have met up the requirement of 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers, the 60,000 watch hours, and five to upload 5 public videos, and a lot of things has been ticked, and there's this particular thing that has not been ticked for us to be able to apply for our monetization, and that is Facebook content monetization policy is not ticked. So in this video, I just have 3 steps for you to follow, and if you follow this step, trust me, it works perfectly well. If you follow the first step, it does not work, I don't think the second step will not work. So in this video on how you can follow these 3 methods. First of all, before you have this issue, because I know that when we heard about Facebook in Nigeria being monetized by June, that's some months ago, I know that a lot of people will be posting a lot of videos, like they'll just be posting pictures, they'll just be posting a lot of things. You need to know it's not just about making money on Facebook. You also need to know, you also need to read the Facebook monetization guidelines. You also need to know the do's and don'ts. Yes, it's not just about uploading content, uploading videos. Like, it's not about you want to make money. You need to read it. Like, how can you want to make money? I don't know the rules and regulations. It's just like in school, in churches, in school. We have rules and regulations guiding all of those places. If you can dress anyhow to school, but you can't dress anyhow to church. So there are rules and regulations, there are pros and cons, there are do's and don'ts. So in order for you to stay safe on Facebook, first of all, you need to read the Facebook monetization policy guidelines, guys. You need to understand how it works. You need to know the do's and don'ts. You need to know the kind of things you need to upload on your on Facebook, because Facebook does not like anything that will make you to spam another person. You need to read all these things from the beginning to the end and understand it very well from there to end, because when you start having issues on your page, it will affect you. Sometimes it's very, very hard for you to resolve it when you start having issues on your page. So in order for you to stay on a safer side, it's necessary you go through the Facebook guideline, the monetization guideline, and you know the kind of things you need to upload, you know the kind of things you don't need to upload. And that's better. Another thing that can make it to have this issue is if you have been uploading a copyrighted video that has copyrighted song. If you have been uploading that, guys, you don't need to delete those videos. If you still want to repost it, you need to delete it from your page. Then you can either edit this video and re-upload these videos. Then Facebook love what is original. Make sure that the content you are using is original. Original content does not necessarily mean that you need to create this content yourself. Yes, you might pick someone's video and you try to edit it like this is my video now. Let's assume you want to make use of this video. You can as well as edit this video, add some things to it that is different from this video in particular. That is what makes a content original. So you need to know all these things. Alright, this is how to fix this problem of you follow Facebook's content monetization policy. You can see that this person has met 2 out of the 7 requirements, but at least, even though this person does not have up to 10,000 or 5,000 followers, this monetization policy has to be ticked the same way that you reside in an eligible country is ticked. Okay, let me show you how you can fix this. I have 3 ways for doing this, so make sure you watch this particular part till the end of this video, till the end. So first of all, what you want to do, you just want to or just go back. So you just want to click on this 3 dots here. So after clicking on the 3 dots, you click on help and support down here. After that, you click on support inbox. So when you click on support inbox, this you now click on your alert. This they saying thank you for helping keep Facebook safe for everyone. That means at this point I don't have, this page does not have any violations. So if I have any violation, it's going to be shown on this your alert. So I'll just click here to go back. So if there's any issue that you have been reporting, any issue you have been reporting, or any issue that you have currently, it will be showing here. Sometimes what makes people page not been the content monetization policy not been is because they have been posted someone's copyrighted sorry, they have been posted video that has copyrighted songs. Do you understand? You know that that song is not your own. You are posting another person's song. So that's why some of the reason why, if assuming my page has any video that has copyright, as I click on this place, I would have been seeing it here. So music or so video has a copyright. What I will just do is just to go and delete those videos, and I can re-upload them later when I'm done editing them and adding another sound. Or sometimes you posted someone's content, so like content has already been posted on Facebook, you still brought it back and you post it. So that's one of the reason why you might face that. And if you come here, you'll be able to see that your song has a copyrighted this one of this your video has a copyright. But here I don't have that problem. That means mine is another case entirely. So that's the number one way of solving it. Assuming assuming there is any issue, they would have shown it here. So what I just need to do is that I remove those videos that has copyright. Okay, the best thing is just to delete those videos that has copyright. Then if I still have them in my phone, I can just re-edit them and upload them later, and that will be taken off my page and the place will be tick. That's the number one method. So number two method of doing that is to click on report a problem. When you click on report a problem, you now say you now see all these options. So I'll just click on continue to report a problem. So I'll just wait for it to load. So when it has loaded, you can see include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. You can further send it. I'll just click on include. So select product. What are you reporting to Facebook? This problem now is with our Facebook page. Okay, it's about our Facebook page. So if you have any problem, you can see all this place. If your problem is on your profile, click on profile, is on setting, but mine is just on the pages. So I'll just go ahead and click on the pages. And before you come here to report a problem, make sure you have already screenshot where you have that problem, where you have that content monetization policy not tick. Make sure you have already screenshot that. Okay, so I don't want this video to be that long, so you can just type here to describe your problem. Okay, you can just type here to. So after you might have finished typing, I just do this for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll just click on upload from phone because already I've snapped where the issue is. I'll just click here to upload it, and after I do that, I will just click here to send my report. You can see that it's showing finalizing bug record. Thanks, your feedback helps improve. That means I've sent them a report, so I'll be waiting for their feedback. Okay, the last method of fixing this problem is that you click on this content, you follow Facebook, then you click on this content monetization policy. So you just allow it to load. Then you now click on these three. You will now click on these three lines here. When you now click on these three lines, you will now say get get started, advertise, learn, support. I will just say start now. So you just click on start now. So when you click on start now, this will automatically takes you to your ad manager. So before you think of running your ad, you just need to first of all download this app on your phone, because this is the app that to take us to this ad manager here. So for you to run this ad, this is my ad manager. So for you to run this ad, it's advisable that, okay, let's just run the ad first without talking. So you click on create ad. So it is advisable that the budget that Facebook shows, that you should use that actual budget to run the ad without changing it. If you still want to change it, fine, but it would have been more preferred if you use the budget that Facebook gives you to run the ad to do that. I don't know why my network is a kind of slow. So after you might have finished loading like this, so you just need to click on this awareness and you click on continue. I am having a very bad network, so I've made a video. If you don't know how to proceed with this following steps, because I don't really want to create an ad, but I'm just making this video so that you know how to resolve this issue. Then, because my data has finished, so if you don't want, like, if you want to continue with the running of ads, so you can just watch my video on how to run page like ads. Like I ran the ads on that video, so from there it's not the same objective, but as far as you have a method of running an ad, you can use that method to run ad in any traffic, sorry, in any objective. So watch that video and use that method to run awareness ad. Yeah, awareness as is not just to for reach, for brand awareness, for you to get video views and store locations awareness, just to, like, in awareness, just to let people know that, oh, you, like, just to create awareness on your post, allow people to view it, engage in your post, reach more people. That's what this art is all about. So if you have not watched my video, so you just, I will leave the link in the description box, or you check my videos on some of my videos on my channel. You see how to run page like ads, so watch that video, then you know how to do this. So guys, that's how to solve this particular problem. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow this page for more tips like those, like those videos, share, and also comment on those posts. Let me know if you find it interesting or if you find it smooth doing it. All right guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.